sabi ni Yaz, we're both Christians and then I broke up with my boyfriend. Then I found out he's not attending in their church. Sa amin, ang pananaw namin dyan, okay lang. Kasi sa amin, honestly, church attendance, although important, church attendance is not an accurate meter or evidence na, hindi niya siya nag-a-attend. Malamang, spiritually, lagapak na yan eh. Hindi totoo. In fact, marami kaming friends na hindi ganon ka-regular mag-church pero mature spiritually. Tapos meron din kaming kilala, lagi nasa church pero medyo madilim. So, church attendance, although important, hindi yan ang basihan to say na, hindi siya nag-church, nag-attend ng church. Mga tao yan. Buti na lang,
backslide na yan.
Buti na lang, hindi ko na siya boyfriend. Hindi yan accurate meter.
Yeah.
Hindi yan accurate meter. This is RM, Relationship Matters.
Your online ninong and ninang saying, wag
Pera-pera lang ang pagkuha ng ninong at nina.